Let me tell you the truth most people never hear. Your brain is not designed to make you powerful. It's designed to keep you safe, even if that safety is destroying your potential. That's why every time you think about changing your life, your mind answers back with fear, excuses, and delay. But today, that changes. Because now, you're going to learn how to take control. Step 1. Your brain loves each easy way. Your brain's number one job is comfort. That's why it whispers, stay in bed. Scroll one more minute. You'll start when you feel ready. Comfort feels safe. But comfort is where dreams go to die. While you sit still, someone else is out there becoming the person you wish you were. And the longer you obey the comfort voice, the harder it becomes to escape it. Step 2. Turn discomfort into power. Growth has a price. Discomfort. Most people avoid pain because they think it means stop. But discomfort is a signal. It means you're stepping into a new version of yourself. So here's your new rule. When your brain says, I don't feel like it, you answer, perfect, that means I go. Every rep of discomfort is a brick in the wall of the person you're becoming. Step 3. THE3SECOND command rule. Your brain delays to protect you. So you have to move before the delay arrives. Here's how. The moment you think of the action, you start counting. 3, 2, 1 go. Not think, not debate, just move. Because hesitation kills transformation. Movement is how you win the mental war. Step 4. Daily WR training. You don't need motivation. You need a ritual of refusal. Refusing comfort every single day. Cold shower. Deep work when you're tired. Speaking when your voice shakes. These are not tasks. They're reminders. Reminders that you command your mind, not the other way around. Step 5. Become unstoppable. Discipline is not a feeling. It's a decision about who you are. Say this to yourself. I am not weak. I was simply trained to avoid discomfort, and I refuse that training now. Then prove it with action. Over and over. Not to finish tasks, but to rewrite your identity into someone who thrives under pressure. The weaker version of you, the one who waits, hesitates, and fears, that version dies today. From this moment forward, you choose the hard path. You move when it's uncomfortable. You act when your brain pleads for comfort. Because you are not here to be safe, you're here to become unstoppable. Subscribe.